Hello again, everyone. This is Chris over at toughruggedlaptops.com. Today we're going to show you how to install a DVD kit into one of these, a Panasonic CF-54. First thing you want to remember when you're doing something like this is you also want to make sure you have no power sources to your laptop. So make sure there's no AC adapter connected and the battery has been pulled. The tools that you're going to need for this particular job are going to be a small flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the bottom plate off of CF-54, and there are 7 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then these two, 6 and 7. Just lift from the back and pull out. The DVD drive is going to go under here. You may have to pull back some of these items here. These are just protective covers for the laptop. They just have little stickies on them. Don't pull on them too hard because that's all there is to them. Basically, all you're going to need to do is use this connector, and we're going to use this area right here. We have to remove the dummy cartridge, which means we have to lift this first. Once again, very carefully. In the DVD packet, they do give you extra one of these, so if you were to so happen rip it or something were to happen, you know that you can always use another one of these because you're going to get an extra. And if you do these really carefully, you can just reuse the one that's already on there. Just watch out for these little tabs right there because they have a lot of sticky right there. And if you move them really slowly and watch to make sure that the tape comes up with the piece of plastic, you can easily reuse these. Okay, on the inside of the laptop it does come with a dummy, so what we're going to have to do is remove the dummy. You slide this switch right here, pull right here, and it slides right on out. Now you can just take your DVD drive, and you'll see the push down tab right there corresponds with that. You just slide it right on in. There you go. There's 2 screws that come with this, and these are going to go right here. You've got one here, and you also have one here. And the only thing left to do is we need to install the data cable. And you have a cover right here that needs to be removed. This is the cover that the cable goes to, the data cable goes to. And we're going to pull that off right there like so. No longer going to need this because this is now going to go right here. Generally speaking, you put this right here. And you put it on the black side of this. Now all we have to do is install the data cable that goes from the DVD drive over to the motherboard. This is probably the most difficult part of this whole operation. So all you need to do, this is a flip-up connector, so you want to take your small flathead screwdriver very gently, get it underneath here, and just pop that up. So what we do is we generally put this in first, slide it right in, it's just a SATA connector, and then the ribbon cable, very gently, just ease it on in, goes into the switch to the connector. And once that's in there, you just very gently pop this down, and that will hold the connector in, just like that. And then all you need to do after that is put your everything back together. We have one of these, an extra that they give you, and so we'll replace the original. Underneath here. Oops, wrong way. And that's going to go right there. Press it down there. Put these back down like so. That one there like so. And that's all there is. All you have to do now is put on the bottom, put the 7 screws back in, and you're ready to go.